Okay, let's see. Want to see if we are live streaming. Okay, we are live streaming. We are live streaming. So that's good to know. All right, guys. So let me start recording this. Okay, guys, it is January 29th. 9:21 a.m. We just started live streaming this. Let me go ahead and share my screen. So we should be live streaming now. Let me make sure we are live streaming in the, yep, okay. So we're live streaming. I don't know if anyone's watching this, guys, but I wanted to see if I could go ahead live stream and bring this over here. So I want to make sure we are live streaming. Yes, we are live streaming. Okay. And I want to see if I chart the levels, give an explanation, and take some trades live. I'm recording this also for later on. It says there's one person watching, so let me know who you are in the chat. Would be happy to answer any questions. But so yesterday, here are the levels. Right, so let me take all this off. Okay, I'm going to start charting out today's levels. So I'm on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see. You guys can see 15-minute time frame. So this is yesterday's high of the day. So one of the first things we'll be doing is marking out the high of the day. So this will be the high of the day for yesterday. As you can see, I'm going to make that green. This is also the pre-market high. So yesterday's high and the pre-market high, they are both over here. You see that? The same zone, same range, if you will. This is the pre-market low, so let's mark that. There we go. And then let's come to yesterday's low. Low of the day yesterday is pretty much this one here, okay? Oops. So this would be pre-market low. So I marked the whole wick on the 15-minute chart. So that's what you're seeing here. So if we break above yesterday's high, which is also the pre-market high, that is bullish, right? And so I also want to take away some of these levels and see what other levels we may have to watch. So this is pre-market low. This is pre-market low from 2 days ago or 1 day ago. You see that? So I leave this line over there. I'm also going to go on a 1 minute. You see on the 1 minute, this pretty much aligns beautifully with something else we had marked long ago. This one over here, right? So on the 1 hour chart, you can also see that this has been a resistance and now kind of it's still kind of a resistance over here. So I'm going to draw this out over here, maybe about here, just so I get an idea. Okay, when I'm trading now. So I mark that. I'm also going to see if I go back to 15-minute, I need to mark out anything else. I don't think I need to mark out anything else. So pretty much, well, we can mark this over here if you want to. This is like a support over here on the 15-minute. Pretty much, if the price breaks this, it's going to go from here to here without any resistance. That's what it's going to go there. On the 1 hour, you can see the MACD is curving, so it can come down a little bit more. On the 4 hour, it's curving the other way around, so it can go up. So we don't know. On the daily, it looks like it's curving also. So we'll see how it works out. We don't know. Let me see if I have to mark anything else on the 15-minute chart, any other levels. If you want to, you can literally mark this, all of that. I'm not going to mark those. Maybe I will mark this level here. You see this line is a support over here. and kind of a resistance over here. It's kind of a zone, really. Um, I'm not going to mark that for now, just leave it out. So we got these two, that's good enough for now. And so that's what we're going to do. So in the NQ, that was a SPY. In the NQ, we have some pre-market levels already from previously. I'm going to leave it as it is. I don't really do a lot with NQ in terms of plotting out the charts, marking the charts. I'm just going to go with SPY, but as some of you may know, I mark the SPY and then I trade NQ futures. Okay, that's what I do. On the options, I trade SPY and QQQ. So if you see the Qs, we closed yesterday over here. The pre-market is about a bit high there. So usually, I'll tell you from experience, it might come all the way down to fill this gap, right? So on the SPY, if we go back to the SPY over here, right, pre-market is below here, right? And we closed over here, it might go up to fill it. On the Qs though, if I go here on the Qs, you see that it's already higher than what we closed. So it's kind of just from yesterday's, wherever we closed yesterday. So we got to wait and see what happens. So this is pretty much our charting. That's about it. And now it's just a waiting game. It's 9:26. I'm just gonna, let me see, should I stop sharing and all that? Should I not? Maybe I'll stop share. And I'll stop recording and I'll